What the heck? Dude, have I been playing games all day? Uh, the dad's GameCube. I like the Xbox 360, but that's an original. What's going on? What time is it? I forgot my watch doesn't show the time. Oh well, I guess I gotta eat. What's the easiest way to eat right now? I'm gonna go for some chicken. Let me suit up. Let's see. What do I need? I feel like get myself a grenade and a revolver. That works. Alright, chicken. Here I come. Let's do this. So I'm just gonna move over here. Oh, hi there, ogre. Great, now I gotta waste a grenade. I'm sorry! What's up, chicken? I don't think the chicken will be enough. Ooh, a fan. That'll get me there much faster. I guess not. Alright, chicken, you will be the death of me. Just kidding. See, last time I checked, I don't know where I'm going. Let's head over. Nope. Chicken. Oh, chicken. No, I am starving, man. Just have to go over here. There you are, buddy. I gotta make this a perfect shot. Let's go. I'm starving. You got a rocket. I could go for some eggs. Speaking of eggs. Alright, let's head back. Oh, hi, ogre. Oh, shoot.